California Department of Motor Vehicles may not be open yet when you arrive.
Alright, so as you just heard, the DMV may not be open when I arrive. I'm on my way to pick up my personalized legacy plates for my XT. What will it say? You'll have to wait. But I'm fired up because I've been waiting for these for a long time. It takes like a few months for these to actually get processed and whatever. I mean, I don't know why it takes so damn long, but it's just literally 2 plates. So on my previous WRXs, I had my plates that say, on my previous WRXs, I had my customized plate that said Fresh WRX, FRSH WRX. That's where I'm headed to. Just dropped off Mila Monster at her school. She's all fired up, you know, seeing her homies. I was supposed to work today. I called in and made myself available today to work at the hospital, but they didn't need me. But lately we've been short-staffed. You know, flu season, everybody getting sick. Anyways, that is what is going on. I'm off today. I feel like my body's trying to fight something. I don't know, my throat was hurting last night when our youngest Lana woke up and was up with her for a few hours. Hopefully I don't get sick. Want to try and do some installs this week, some stuff I've been waiting to do. I want to wrap my chrome grill piece and the fog light bezels, and also I want to apply my 3M clear bra on the front of my car. I've had those things for, probably 2 months now. Just haven't had the time to put it on. It's killing me. So hopefully I'll be able to do that in the next few days here before I have to work this weekend, but we'll see. No promises. Life of a parent. It's hard, man. Hard, brother. Yeah, I don't have the luxury of the other full-time YouTubers that this is all I do. It'd be nice to be able to get to that point, but right now I just gotta chip away. It's hard to do it with 2 young ones, so the struggle's real. Struggle is real. Aspiring YouTuber, full-time daddy, full-time worker. Yeah, so it's fun though. It's my hobby. That's why I do it. I enjoy it, making little videos here and there. So once I finish up a few more installs on this, I am gonna shoot a pretty profound video that will kind of set the stage for the channel moving forward. But I don't want to shoot the other videos that I already have planned until I shoot that one. So, and I know it sounds kind of vague, kind of weird, like, you know, what the hell are you saying to me? But just trust me, it'll be awesome. And like I said, that's going to be a crucial part of the channel moving forward. And I hope you folks will like it. I know I'm going to love it. I'm going to love doing it. So if you are subscribed and just watched my latest video that I just posted with the quad tip muffler deletes that I installed on this for my WRX, thank you for watching that, by the way. But if you're new, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel, because I'm happy to announce that I am a Subaru ambassador. I actually became a Subaru ambassador, I want to say back in December, like late December, so that was a nice Christmas present. So for those of you who don't know what Subaru ambassador is or does, we basically just help build the brand. So we are able to get things, merch basically, to share with any and whoever. It's nice to be able to give back to the car enthusiast community, even if you don't own a Subaru. And I know I've said this in my previous video, but I can honestly say that I enjoy driving this Subaru the most out of all the Subarus I own. Between the 14 hatch and my 16 WRX, I actually enjoy this Forester the most. It's just, it's easier for me at this point in my life, because I've got 2 kids. I need to be able to, like, have one hand free to hand them things, food or water, whatever. Like, I just need to be able to have one hand free. So it's not exactly the easiest thing to do when you have a manual transmission. Doable, yes. Pain in the butt, very much so. Kind of unsafe at times. So this is also a selling point, but now I have room to change my kids because I got that rear hatch in the back with my sedan. I didn't have that. So anyways, we are pulling up to the DMV right now. The entrance. Ooh, look at that line, boy. That's hella long. We're gonna see if we can find any parking. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot freaking stand coming to the DMV. Look at all these peeps. Yeah, no. Dude, I literally just got into my car and it's 13:09 or what? I'm sorry, 1:09, and I arrived here at about 8:50. That is how long it took me to get this damn license plate swap done. Granted, it is quicker to do an appointment, which I had set up for next week, but that's my birthday week and I don't really want to deal with the DMV for that long. But I'm kind of thinking I should have, because when you have an appointment, it's a lot faster. 4 hours to get the plates. I'm beyond tired and hangry, so I gotta go figure some food out. Oh boy, look at that license plate. Yeah, look at that. Grim Speed Fresh XT. Look at that rear, boy. Those quad tips, man. Look at them quad tips, man. Little poke out, little pokage. Can't wait for my next goodie to come for this ride. Be pretty happy with the rear once that part comes in. Gonna be looking pretty mean, pretty tough, but that's how it sits right now. So later today I'll figure out how I want to move forward with these giveaways. So these giveaways will be every month or 2 months, so make sure to follow me on Instagram and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated. Not sure how I'll be announcing the winners yet, but can't win if you don't follow, bruh. So that's it for this video. I'll see you folks in the next one. Take care of yourselves, and stay tuned for another install video coming in the next week or so. Peace.